Hi there, my name's Jeff. This is our Churchill cylindrical grinder. It seems like a really tidy one. It sounds good and ticks over really nicely. I'll start up the internal motor. It's running really quietly and smoothly. Stop that. Now to get the main grinding head going, we've got to put the lubricating system on, which it is, and we can start that one up. And again, that's running really quietly and smoothly. So that's the main grinding head going. We'll start up our hydraulics. It's the hydraulic system running. Obviously it's got the manual operation for the table and the wheel head coming in and out. We'll get the work head going. It's got an inching option, so you can just move it a little bit at a time, or obviously fully running. Variable speed here, so I've slowed it right down, speed it up, and we'll get the traverse going, which it's on fast at the moment, and that's obviously adjustable. So I'll slow that right down. It's halfway. Speed it up. So as you can see, it really just ticks over very nicely. Things seem to be doing what they're meant to, and it seems like a really nice machine. So we'll stop the traverse, turn the work head off, turn the hydraulics off, and turn that main grinder head off, and that's pretty much it.